So I was given this Ebabriqs charcoal to try, and today I'm going to prepare Tom Brown with it. So let's see how it is. So this is charcoal. It is gotten out of either some peels, cassava peels, and this is what I'm going to use. I've had testimonies of this, and I'm going to see how lasting it can actually cook my food. So let's get right here. I have here my Ebabriqs, but before that I'll have to light one of this, and then I'll break it into two, and then I can light it and then bring it here to cook my food. Break it into two, yeah, and light it on fire. My observation here is it lights so fast compared to the normal charcoal we get straight from wood. This lights very fast. I fan it a little bit and there I go. It's very easy to light up. Trust me, if I was using this local charcoal, you will hear the noise of the fire, but this is so silent and I like the way it is. See the flames. You don't need much Ebabriqs to prepare your food. I took like 4 and my food is almost done. So yeah. It took me a few minutes to get my food done, so I don't need to worry at all. Yes, I still have my Ebabriqs inside. I can use it to cook any food I want again. So yes, I think you should get yourself Ebabriqs. Long lasting. It's smokeless. And it doesn't give you issues with the noise and destroying your clothes. You are safe with this. You can use it in your room. I mean, this is a perfect solution for you to do your local grilling and cooking indoors. Okay, you can use this indoors and it will help. I think this is perfect. It has come to save us stress. You should get yourself Ebabriqs and you'll be free forever. You're wondering how to do it. So I bring it out. So after I put the fire off, I leave my Ebabriq here to dry. So guys, you saw everything I did with this Ebabriq. You don't say charcoal, you say Ebabriqs, okay? So immediately you light it up and then you finish cooking your food. You can actually use it to cook a lot of meals. So guys, don't limit yourself to just one food. It is very quality, smokeless as it is, long lasting, and I really like the silent bit of it. I don't want to destroy my clothes, so do you. So please use Ebabriqs. It has come to stay.